second chance, but it tore out my soul. Passed out, crashed out on a mat, and that was the end of that. Well, lately I've been such a drag, all down in the dumps, man, moping and dragging my feet's coping with a life of luxuries, focus on my defeats and all the things it sucks to be. Like the great one said, it's a crock-o crab. And that was the end of that. Here we go. Wait, don't go.
No.
You distract me so, you make it so easy to hide in the scenery, in your vintage jewelry, like some fucked up bumblebee heading for the potpourri of the ladies' room. Wait, don't go.